Next, BMW M5 could come to America as a 735 HP plug-in hybrid wagon. The new M5 shares its PHEV drivetrain with the XM SUV, and at long last the M5 Touring is under consideration to do battle with the Audi RS6 Avant and AMG E63. A new generation of the BMW M5 is on the way, codenamed G90. It will share its plug-in hybrid powertrain with the BMW XM SUV. A wagon version of the M5 is under consideration for America. A new generation of the BMW 5 Series is on the way and wears the codename G60. But the most exciting news will come in July 2024, when the M division will launch the new M5, dubbed G90. The top of the line model will only be available in label red guise, rated at 735 horsepower and 735 pound-feet of torque. You guessed it, the next M5 shares its plug-in hybrid drivetrain with the polarizing XM SUV out this summer. While it will be offered as a sedan once again, we hear that the M5 Touring station wagon G99, due to go into production in late 2024, is at long last considered exportation to North America. The new M5 should sport an electric range of close to 60 miles and a maximum speed of 87 mph in EV mode, sources say. On the debate, it carries a weight penalty of over 440 pounds compared to the outgoing M5, while the extra grant is said to cut the 60 mph acceleration time by a few ticks. We already managed a blisteringly quick 2.8 seconds in the current M5 competition. It remains to be seen which effect, if any, the extra body fat has on the best. And according to those in the know, the next M5 remains loyal to the classic steel suspension, but introduces rear-wheel steering, bigger brakes, and optional 22-inch wheels. Drivers can choose between 3 energy regeneration stages, 2 calibrations for the steering and brakes, and 5 different drive modes, including e-control, which prioritizes the electric motor. The 644 HP unit fitted to the base XM will not be offered in the new M5. If anything, there might be a label Black High Flyer, which would mate the 627 HP V8 of the defunct M5 CS to a bigger electric motor. Electric BMW i5M could have more than 1000 HP. What about an i5M, you ask? The electric i5 range will likely compromise this 3 models, i5 eDrive 40 and xDrive 40, 340 HP, i5 M50 xDrive 544 HP, and i5 M70 xDrive 650 HP. The M70 is not only the most potent version, it can allegedly also be charged faster. If equipped with special high-performance batteries, gets active steering plus the usual M livery inside and out, but is still not yet a fully fledged hardcore M car. This rule belongs to the i5M, which won't bow before 2026 as a wide-body 4-door, 4-motor 1136 crackerjack, due to follow hot on the heels of the 1000 HP all-electric M4 replacement called Katharina. The new high-performance electric drivetrain boasts ultra-fast wheel-by-wheel torque vectoring, multi-stage cooling, a supplementary brake-by-motor energy energy regeneration system and new dynamic features like piloted drifting and the perform tank turns. Key to the new talent level is a complex advanced control unit known internally as Hand of God. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to achieve and see more videos about all new cars in USA and all around the world. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye.